Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Salman Praditya with student number 2111010. Now I will review the thesis with the title The Effect of Using Wood Powder as a Substitution Material for Fine Aggregate in Concrete Mixture with Superplasticizer Add Material. And for the White Bay, Putri Nurul Aini, Rustaman, Eko Walujo Jati. And for research in Civil Engineering Laboratory at Sekolah Tinggi Teknologi Garut. And journal published in the Journal of Construction, volume 19, issue 1, 2021, page 169 to 107. First, introduction. In their study published in the Journal of Construction, Putri Nurul Aini, Rustaman, and Eko Walujo Jati investigate the impact of using wood powder as a substitute for fine aggregate in concrete mixture. The research aimed to find a cost-effective alternative material without compromising the strength of the concrete through experimental methods and laboratory testing. The study examined various aspects, including the fundamental properties of concrete forming material, concrete compressive strength, and the influence of additional substances such as superplasticizer. The findings of this research are expected to offer new insight into the development of environmentally friendly and efficient construction material. Implication. The implication of the study on using wood powder as a substitute for fine aggregate in concrete mixture are significant for the construction industry and sustainable development. By exploring alternative material like wood powder, the research contribute to the potential reduction of natural resource consumption and waste generation. And the finding might lead to the development of more environmentally friendly concrete mixture without compromising structural integrity. Additionally, the study focused on superplasticizer additive, provide insight into enhancing concrete properties and performance overall. The research has implications for promoting sustainable construction practice and innovation in material science. Method. The research methodology for the study on the impact of using wood powder as a substitute for fine aggregate in concrete mixture involved the following steps. Number 1. Testing the basic properties of concrete material, including coarse aggregate and fine aggregate. Number 2. Testing the properties of concrete in the hardened phase, such as compressive strength of concrete cylinder specimen with dimension of at the age of 14 days. Number 3. Data collection method include literature study to gather reference from relevant journal and books. And number 4, secondary data collection involved obtaining information on specific properties like density, water absorption, bulk density, silt content, and shape analysis. And number 5, the research utilizes an experimental approach, especially testing the compressive strength of concrete cylinder made with wood powder as an additional fine aggregate. And the methodology aims to support the research need by providing a systematic approach to studying the impact of wood powder substitution on concrete properties. Next, for the result. The result of the study on using wood powder as a substitute for fine aggregate in concrete mixture, along with the addition of superplasticizer, are as follows. Number 1. The research found that the addition of wood powder as a substitute for fine aggregate in concrete mixture had implication for the properties of the fresh and hardened concrete. And number 2, the inclusion of the superplasticizer in the concrete mixture was found to have a significant impact on the workability and strength development of the concrete. And number 3, the compressive strength test result indicate that the concrete mixture with wood powder substitution and superposition addition exhibited varying level of strength reduction compared to conventional concrete. And overall, the result of the study provide insight into the effect of using wood powder as a substitute for fine aggregate in concrete mixture, and the influence of superplasticizer on concrete properties. Contribution. The study on the utilizing of wood powder as a substitute for the fine aggregate in concrete mixture, coupled with the addition of superplasticizer, made the following contribution to the field on construction and material engineering. Number 1, innovate material application, and number 2, enhanced concrete properties, and number 3, performance evaluation, number 4, sustainable and cost efficient, and number 5, future research direction. Overall, the study contributes advanced knowledge in sustainable construction practice, material innovation, and concrete technology, offering valuable insights for research practitioner and stakeholder in the construction industry. For the conclusion, the study on the utilizing of wood powder as a substitute for fine aggregate in concrete mixture, in conclusion, with the addition of superplasticizer, led the following conclusion. Number 1, feasibility of wood powder substitution. The research demonstrated the wood powder can be effective used as a partial substitute for fine aggregate in concrete mixture. And number 2, impact of superplasticizer. The addition of superplasticizer in the concrete mixture was found to have a significant influence on the workability and strength development of the concrete. And number 3, strength reduction with wood powder as addition. The research identified a decrease in compressive strength with increasing percentage of wood powder substitution in the concrete mixture. The highlight the importance of careful optimize the mix design to maintain the desired strength level when incorporating wood powder as a substitute for fine aggregate. And number 4, sustainable construction practice. And the study contribute to sustainable construction practice by exploring the use of wood powder as a sustainable alternative material in concrete production. And number 5, future research implication. The conclusion drawn from the study provide a foundation for future research direction in the field of alternative material in concrete production. In conclusion, The study underscores the potential of wood powder as a substitute for fine aggregate in concrete mixture, highlight the role of superposition in enhancing concrete properties, and emphasize the importance of sustainable practice in the construction industry. The finding contribute to advance knowledge in material innovation, sustainable construction, and concrete technology. And maybe that's all I can say. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.